If your morning routine consists of standing under a weak, sputtering stream of harsh, chlorinated city water that leaves your skin feeling dry and your hair looking dull, it is time for a serious upgrade. You do not need a costly bathroom remodel to enjoy a true spa experience right at home. We are looking at the ultimate bathroom upgrade, the MakeFit Filter Dual 2, in one spa shower system in a brilliant polished chrome finish. This isn't just your standard, ordinary fixed shower head. It is a completely integrated, high-pressure dual system that combines a wide overhead rainfall shower with a multifunctional handheld wand, entirely engineered to purify your water while delivering maximum water tension. What sets this MakeFit system apart from basic fixtures is its multi-stage advanced filtration system built right into the core. Utilizing targeted layers like KDF 55, calcium sulfite, and vitamin C ceramic balls, it actively strips away harsh chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, and unpleasant odors commonly found in hard tap water. By neutralizing these irritants before they ever touch your body, it helps restore the natural oils to your skin and keeps your hair feeling noticeably softer and healthier. But the real magic lies in how completely customizable your actual shower experience becomes. Using the solid metal three-way diverter knob, you can run the large overhead rainfall disc for total full body coverage, switch entirely to the handheld wand, or run both simultaneously to create an immersive, high-pressure waterfall effect. The handheld unit itself boasts an incredible 10 distinct spray modes, ranging from a gentle saturating mist to a deep, pulsating rhythmic massage designed to soothe sore muscles. It also solves a major household headache with its built-in point jet power wash mode. With a single press of the button on the back of the wand, it instantly reroutes the pressure into a high-velocity, targeted jet stream. Paired with a flexible 59-inch stainless steel hose, it becomes the ultimate tool for blasting away stubborn soap scum on your tile walls, rinsing down the bathtub, or washing your pets without splashing water everywhere. Plus, the solid brass adjustable mounting bar lets you smoothly slide and tilt the handheld wand to the perfect height for every family member, eliminating the sagging and leaking issues common with cheap plastic extendable arms. Whether you are trying to combat the damaging effects of hard water on your hair and skin, looking to elevate a standard apartment bathroom into a luxurious personal sanctuary, or just want an easier way to keep your shower glass sparkling clean, it completely transforms your daily routine. If you are ready to stop sacrificing your skin health and water pressure to outdated plumbing and start starting your day with a pure, high-pressure spa experience, click the link below for the best price available right now. Trust me, your skin, your hair, and your morning routine will thank you.